La Bamba is a really, really fun song, but it's quite tricky to get those words in. Okay, so the thing to do first is work out the overall tune. So forget the words for now and go la 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 la. La 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 la. So get those words out the way and sing it all the way through to la. Okay? Then when you're feeling a bit more confident, you can start putting the words into place. But go through them slowly at first. So we've got para, baila, la bamba. So everything is quite forward in the mouth and very focused. So para, baila, la bamba. So everything's kind of this way. Para baila la bamba, se necesita una poco de gracia. Se necesita una poco de gracia. When you've done that bit, you then get onto the fun bit, which is ya arriba, ya arriba. And if you can roll those R's, that would be even better. Ya arriba, ya arriba. Potisere, potisere. Then you can start putting the words into the tune. But again, do it slowly. So I'll sing a line and you sing a line. So, para baila la bamba. Para baila la bamba. Para baila la bamba. Para baila la bamba. Se necesita una poco de gracia. Se necesita una poco de gracia. Una poco de gracia. Una poco de gracia. Para mí, para ti. Para mí, para ti. Ay, arriba y arriba. Ay, arriba y arriba. Once you've got that bit, then you can sing the whole thing back together. So, para bailar la bamba. Para bailar la bamba se necesita una poco de gracia. Una poco de gracia para mí, para ti. Ay, arriba y arriba. See if you can work through that first section first. When you've done that, then you can go yariba, yariba. Yariba, yariba. Potisere, potisere. Potisere, potisere, potisere. And that goes right down there. If you can't manage the low notes, potisere, you could go back up to that one, okay? Or just stay on the same note. The other words that you've got are yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán. That's one of my favourite ones. Soy capitán, soy capitán. Then the best bit, ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba. And you can use hand signals to show the high and low pitches. So, work through it really, really slowly. Do the la 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 la. La 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 la. Keep the jaw really still and just make the tongue move. Then when you've done that, go through it line by line, working through the words really, really slowly. And then put small chunks together. So you might want to do the first part of the first verse and then do all of the first verse. And then, once you've managed that bit, you'll be able to get through the rest of the song. And I promise, once it's in your head, it's there, okay? And the words are quite repetitive, so once you've gone through it once or twice, it will stick. Have fun!